Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to be playing Sonic Speed Simulator, and my brother is playing. He's about to join me. I don't know why. What happened to him? Cause my Roblox got deleted, and I have to restart. And I don't know. I'm just gonna spend money on on Pessimex, nothing else.
I'm gonna spend money on actual speed skin.
What the?
The toast skin?
Oh, the toe skin. Oh.
Dude, where is it?
Okay, I get to get a spin.
Wait.
I got 1,000,000 XP. Let's go, baby.
Huh? 1,000,000 XP?
Yeah, go over here.
What's XP?
XP is this top thing right here. I'm already level 25. Bro.
Oh, wow. We need to get more.
Bro, would you rather wait 6 hours or 5 hours?
All the way back to get the spin.
Okay, let's try it. If you brought faster than me, oh my god, I have 48. I'm at level 48.
48?
Yeah, 48, my god. Because I spin the wheel in my car.
Huh? Look, brand new pets.
What?
Look.
Oh, wait, he's an admin. Bro, no one can take those pills. An admin. What is this? No. I hate this. I've never played this game. Everything is new. I'm new. Fresh. Sonic. You know how to get Sonic? I got everybody. Bro, I'm not the owner of the game. No, I asked someone. Because you're not Italian. Bro, that's not Italian. Bro, what is this long circle?
I know I went through there. I went like I was like this. I was like this. I was like this. I didn't even see anything. Knuckles or oh, this is my favorite one, 2, 3, 4, Nike Kit. Oh, that's on fire.
No!
What?
I was walking like 5 minutes.
No!
Idiotic clip. We'll wrap that man first.
I don't have that here. 1, 2. I have 85.
Okay.
I have 50. 58.
You mean 38.
What? I faxed Mr. Azim. You liar! You told me you
Like 50. It's good.
I want pizza.
Bro, if I don't have food, bro, really, bro, you said you want pens. I already have them.
How? Where did you?
I finished the pen.
Huh?
Holy moly, where am I going?
My speed is 190. Oh my gosh! I feel like a trillion miles
Bro, what are we talking
in my
about?
big
Go, show. Bro, I hate that song. It's annoying. That's why I make the video. Shut up and go. Buckle one more. Buckle your shoes.
Buckle them more.
Buckle some more.
No, buckle them more.
Idiotic. That's That's how I know I'm idiotic. What the? I just broke in my battery. And we're pretty close.
Am I done? I need 250. Look at that pet. How would order pets?
You're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 500.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's how much do you
What? I'm gonna make a video about Call of Duty, guys. But I'm not leaving this game until I get it on.
I have one for the salad.
What?
You got
No. Why would I get it? How can I even get it?
okay.
They removed him from the game?
They removed you from the game.
Bro, are you serious? I know stuff was there.
Make me not get my iPad.
Oh, that's a special.
Make me say yes, and I'll
Okay.
give you my iPad.
Bro, you know. win. But you win.
No.
But we get to the Sonic. Bruh.
Hey. 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 Hey.
I need to play my PlayStation. Bruh. Why can't
240.
Bro, how is Sonic so Petro? Vote on water. Is that right? What? I don't know. They do.
Make me say the word.
Bro, I didn't even know that.
No.
That's cool.
69.
Guys, make sure you hit that like button.
Go to my YouTube channel.
Bro, he doesn't even upload anymore because he got kicked out.
At least
Your
I just
account got deleted. Don't you know? You know Burger King? Well, I know.
You're level 42.
You're level 40. I'm level 67.
What is this?
My guy doesn't know how to count. That's right, cause
I counted to 3.
I counted to 3 or 54.
I counted to 10.
Where is it? Guys, make sure to hit that like button.
Then why did you say I can download my Roblox?
Right next to the I love Roblox.
Liar! Why did you? You cried. You cried.
But then I didn't upload it. You couldn't upload your video because you didn't have your
Get on. I uploaded. My mom
Mama.
5 hours. What? I
No, you gotta like 5 minutes. Like this one, look at this.
Wow. Back on my shelf. More bubble than more. Hey, buckle this.
Yo, so cool.
But buckle your mama. Yeah.
Bro, my brother, he told me it. He told me he has admin power. And that's
I can teach you how to game. I can type it.
but you don't know how to type.
But I can read.
But where is Sonic?
A.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to YouTube and search this. Hey, And guys, don't you know, you make sure to subscribe. And
You
hit that
make sure
like.
to subscribe to my video.
And you don't need to look at my history. Okay. What's this one? Hey dude, look at my new shoes. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Okay, read it. Hey dude, look at my new shoes. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3,
buckle my shoes. 3,
Shut up!
4,
That's enough.
buckle
It's so
more.
annoying. Shut up! It's so annoying.
Shut the F up.
What?
It's so annoying. Shut the F up.
Uh,
Shut the shut up. Or shut the shut up.
Okay.
Or shut the ship up.
Okay, I need to find this. How to... I was just searching up that like a year ago. How to get Sonic...
I K A
Sonic in
Roblox
2023. What? How is Sonic in Lost Valley now?
Lost Valley?
What?
You will train in the way of the Jedi.
This is the fun.
Alright everybody, in today's video, Sonic Speed Simulator 2.0 has officially dropped. And you may be a new player, you may be a returning player.
Okay, let's keep
And
going.
we're also going to teach you guys how to get to Lost Valley. So
Okay,
let's not
let's
waste your
keep
time,
going.
let's get right into the clip. Listen up everybody, you're going to need to pay attention. We're in SSS 2.0. We're going to need you guys to first, obviously, subscribe to the channel.
Bro, this kid was live?
Okay.
He was
Now
live.
we're gonna teach you guys everything you need to know when you're first starting up. So first thing you want to do, your pets and stuff have transferred over. So you're gonna equip your best.
Dude, I
Equip the very best that you got. All right. Are all these
Bro,
reset too?
stop
I think
flexing,
so. Let's teach
okay?
you guys
Just
everything you need to know
show
for
us the
tomorrow's
pet.
upcoming update, and let's do it. All right. So for our journey ahead, we're gonna need to get rings. Okay. Go to your quest log down here. You see the quest. So now we're gonna get the next. Get all of that. If you're new, it's always the easy. The boost, you got play SSS. This is it. It's a lot of potential. It has boom. Nice. Just buy boom. All right. Items. I already checked them out. Yeah. Cool. All right. What do we? We also know that in New York.
Stop it. It's
All right.
so
Okay, guys.
annoying.
I Lost Valley. Because boom. Are you a Drake fan?
Bro, this is
So let's
the
try it
one
out.
that you were
It'll
talking
always
about,
hold from success.
Whoa,
How
this-
we turn
yeah,
to super
that whole
sports because I forgot to buy more.
Daddy?
Okay, then you can just get it when you go in Lost Valley. So,
Now what does this say?
what?
What does this?
It says time trail. Bro, how much do you have? How much rings do you have? Bro, you almost have 1 million. Bro has like 995,973. Okay, bro, stop saying no to me. I'm trying to get you, okay?
You just have 448,000.
Bro, character. I had a hoverboard before, but then this guy deleted my Roblox account, so I had to say tap out to it. And then he was like, "How do I get the hoverboard?" And then I was like, "Bro, this season is over right now." What's this? My guy trying to fish and trying to catch one of my pets. Look, the frog is trying to eat the meat. Oh.
Look, frog.
What? Bro, you scared me. Bro. Kamiya, Tatito, everybody knows that. Bro, do I even have friends? Whoa. I do not have 50,000 fans right now. What level are you? 40. I hate this, guys. I think I'm gonna be making another video about this. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And shout out to CapCut because they helped me very a lot because blah blah. How do I even get that? What the in the chaotic world? I'll make a next video about this, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you. Peace, gamers.